hours old.
What's his name?
Steel. Ryder.
Ryder Steele.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice.
We can unzip him if you need to see his legs better.
No, this is that go by feel thing. I know, this is where mom and dad usually think I'm crazy still. But your parents understand chiropractic, so we're good. You're okay. You're okay. I'm just. You're okay. You're okay. Hey, you're okay. It's alright. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Come here. Let me take a look at you.